if you have a sore throat, these Mucinex Sore Throat Soothing Comfort Drops are the GOAT. They look like this. I'll open it up so you can see it, but they're not spicy, if you know what I mean, but they are definitely cooling, and so it lasts like a good bit of time. These are what I live by when I have a sore throat. They're cooling, and they really just make such a difference between like those ones that are just flavored, and they don't taste bad either. You know, like those ones that are really gross, these are not. And they come in some other different flavors too. There's even, there's a pain relief one too. These are just so great, and they're Mucinex, so, you know, this obviously reputable brand. I can't recommend these enough.